Today's daily entity is the fly bird. Oh no! What does this do? Well, it provides magic to places like carnivals, like the magic. It's awake during the early hours of the morning and goes to sleep at night. But not all the fly birds follow this pattern. Some live in mountains, so they're awake more evenly throughout the day. If a fly bird sees anything flying that's not a bird, so this is a bird, it wouldn't kill it. But if a fly bird sees something flying that isn't a bird, it kills it. So, yes, the fly bird provides the magic to fairs, carnivals, that sort of thing, with big rides and more. Like, it just provides power and energy. So, fun facts about this entity include it has crashed 522 planes, and it has knocked over 5 people who have attained the ability of flight, who came crashing down to the ground. They weren't knocked over, as I said. They were, killed. Put out of their misery. And if you're sitting down when the fly bird is awake and you're in the air on a carnival ride or something, guess what? It rips out your spinal cord. Yay! So, in conclusion, this bird is really cool, big, buff, blue, and will kill you if you get the chance to fly. And now this is why humans don't have the ability to fly. The fly bird prevented us from flying, but now they're only in certain places, pretty endangered. So, hashtag save the fly birds. Woo! Also, like and subscribe. None of this was made with AI.